Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the HUAWEI MatePad T5. So at the start, check that you have a Google Lens feature on your device. You can do it by opening the Google Photos. And as you can see, you have a Google Lens icon, so just tap on it. Then whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping this square to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.